Hi, I'm Chatur from PWG Group, and today we have a special person for us. 6,000 successful applicant from PWG Group. Welcome, Mr. Ibrahim.
Welcome.
Would you like to introduce yourself to our community?
Yes, sure. My name Ibrahim. I'm from Morocco. I heard about PWG from some friends before. They are already get the visa to go Poland, Malta. Some of them they are going Canada, and I trust this company. And Alhamdulillah, everything is coming good. They are doing their best to give us to help us give the document, everything. For me, I applied with my passport and my CV, and everything is good. Thank you, PWG. Thank you all the team who support us to get this visa. Thank you very much.
Okay. So we would like to know for them what are the documents you submitted initially?
For the beginning, I give only my passport and CV
CV
and
your-
residence here with my ID also in UAE.
Okay. When you were applying, you were in Dubai.
Yes, yes, I'm here.
Okay.
in Dubai.
You had resident visa.
Yes,
So you applied for embassy here in Dubai?
embassy in Abu Dhabi.
Yeah. We would like to know how long did it take?
It's taken almost 2 years like that, almost
Okay.
2 years, because I think for the embassy Poland they are very strict now. They are making the drawal to get a few peoples. But thanks God, I was a one person. I'm lucky to be. Everything is okay. Also, I thanks also again the team of this PWG. They are always beside us to support us, to help us for all the document we need or anything we need. They are doing it.
So you are saying that from the beginning until you get the visa, PWG Group was
Yes,
behind
sure.
you.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So how do you feel now after you get it visa?
I'm happy. I say also again, thank you all the team who support, who help us for to get this visa. I'm happy to get the visa. Thank you again, PWG. Thank you
Okay.
very much.
So would you recommend the PWG Group to your other clients?
I say to everyone if they want to apply any visa to go Europe, like Poland, Malta, Germany, Canada, they can trust this company.
Okay.
They can trust this company. Really, they can trust.
Yeah.
Sure.
So finally, shall we show your visa for our clients?
Yeah, sure.
This is the visa.
Thank you, PWG. Thank you, all the team of PWG.
So thank you so much for
Thank
your
you.
preparation.
Thank you.